Hi guys, today we'll be talking about reading within the lines. Yes, so you need to understand that reading within the lines is very important in every relationship, whether it is with your mother or father, brother, sister, friend, हस्बैंड वाइफ मदर इन लॉ, कितने सारे रिलेशंस होते हैं. तो वो सारे रिलेशंस में कहीं ना कहीं कोई ना कोई किसी वे में रिएक्ट कर जाता है. तो उस टाइम पे आपको अपना कामनेस नहीं छोड़ना है. आई नो उस टाइम पे जिस तरीके से वो रिएक्ट करते हैं वो बहुत सडन होता है. इट इज़ लाइक a sudden joke for you because you did not expect them to behave in that way, you did not expect them to react in that way, right? But that does not mean that the person is wrong. That does not mean that the person is bad. The person is unable to express themselves in that kind of situation. That is why they are reacting, otherwise they would have responded, right? There's a big difference between react and response, so you need to understand the difference, and you also need to understand the basics of people are always good, always pure and always loving. So do not forget that part. Plus उनको उस moment में रहने दीजिए, आप उनके साथ रहिए, give them that space, and then slowly gradually when they move out of that situation, when they move out of that zone, you need to tell them eventually in a very wise calm manner, कॉन्वर्जेसन करते हुए. एंड अगर वो चीज़ उस टाइम पे कन्वे नहीं हो रही तो लेटर ऑन किसी और वे में, बिकॉज यू आर द पर्सन हु इज़ काम ओवर देयर एट दैट मोमेंट. You do not have to lose your calmness because other person is losing their calmness because they don't know how to react or respond to a particular situation, right? So I would request everyone to please be careful and read within the lines. जो चीज़ें जैसी दिख रही हैं वो वैसी हो ज़रूरी नहीं है. कोई अगर किसी वे में रिएक्ट कर रहा है तो वो वैसा ही है, ज़रूरी नहीं है. उस टाइम पे वो चीज़ उसको बहुत हर्ट हो गई कि वो उस तरीके से रिएक्ट कर रहा है. आई नो दैट पर्सन इज़ टेकिंग यू फॉर ग्रांटेड एंड इज़ रिएक्टिंग इन अ सर्टन वे, बट दैट पर्सन डज नॉट हैव अ कंट्रोल ओवर हिमसेल्फ और हरसेल्फ. दैट इज़ वाई दे आर डूइंग लाइक दैट. Okay, so you also have to understand and give them that space and time and energy of yours, and you have to calm them. You always, I know you will also react in some way, that is there, dude, you're human. Humans are imperfect and they react to situations. They generally rarely respond, so it is absolutely fine. It comes with practice. Slowly, okay? That is why I'm here, to help you out and guide you and give whatever support I can in every way I can. Please be positive, take care, and try to read within lines and stay awesomely blessed. Take care.